Welcome back, lovelies, to Dress, Dine, and Shine, your ultimate guide to style, elegance, and confidence. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever stood in front of your mirror, tilted your head a little, and thought, if only I could look a little taller, a little slimmer, or maybe just a little softer without going to the gym or wearing sky-high heels? Well, guess what? Science says you absolutely can. And hey, today I'm spilling all the secrets about how certain clothes, patterns, cuts, and even colors can literally trick the human eye into seeing you differently. Yes, this is about the science of elegance, using clothes as your personal illusionist. So stick with me till the very end, because not only will we break down fashion illusions, but I'll also show you how to put them together into real outfits that give you height, sleekness, and softness, depending on what you want to project. Plus, I'll share a golden styling formula that I personally use when I want to look effortlessly elegant. Ready? Let's shine together. Part 1. The psychology of fashion illusions. Before we dive into tips, let's understand the science. Fashion isn't just about fabrics and trends. It's about perception. Our eyes interpret lines, colors, and shapes in certain predictable ways. Vertical lines elongate. Think of tall buildings with long pillars. They feel grander and taller than they actually are. Clothes with vertical elements do the same for your body. Horizontal lines widen. Ever seen a striped sofa that looks broader than it is? That's what horizontal patterns do to our frame. Dark colors recede, light colors advance, meaning darker shades make areas look slimmer while lighter ones make them pop forward. Soft textures equal softer perception. Flowy, pastel fabrics project gentleness, while structured, bold colors project power. This is why certain dresses make you look lean and tall without you even realizing it. It's not magic, it's science. And once you know it, you can apply it to every outfit you wear. Part 2. Clothes that make you look taller. Okay, let's talk about height first. One of the most requested fashion illusions. You don't need a 6-inch heel to look tall and poised. Here's what you can do instead. 1. Monochrome magic. Dressing in one color or shades of the same color creates one continuous line. No breaks, no interruptions. Example, a beige top with beige trousers paired with nude shoes. Suddenly, you look like you've added 2 inches to your frame. 2. Vertical patterns and silhouettes. Pinstripes, pleats, vertical seams, and long scarves. They all guide the eye up and down instead of side to side. A long cardigan over a slim inner dress elongates your frame beautifully. 3. High-waisted bottoms. High-waisted trousers and skirts make your legs appear longer. Pair them with tucked-in tops, and the illusion is doubled. 4. V-necks and long necklaces. Deep V-necks lengthen the neck and upper body. Add a long pendant necklace, and it draws the eye downward, making you look taller. Part 3. Clothes that make you look slimmer. Now let's move on to one of the biggest desires, looking slimmer without dieting or Photoshop. Here's how fashion works as your built-in photo filter. Number 1. Darker tones on problem areas. Black, navy, or deep shades slim down. If you want slimmer hips, go for darker pants and a brighter top. Number 2. The power of tailoring. Loose clothes don't always slim. They sometimes add bulk. Well-fitted clothes that skim your body, not squeeze, are the secret to looking lean. Number 3. Strategic color blocking. Dresses with darker side panels create an instant slimming illusion. The eye focuses on the center, narrowing your outline. And number 4. Diagonal and vertical details. Wrap dresses, diagonal ruching, or vertical piping reduce width perception. That's why wrap dresses are timelessly flattering. Part 4. Clothes that make you look softer. Now, elegance isn't always about being taller or slimmer. Sometimes it's about softness, about looking approachable, gentle, romantic. How do we achieve that? 1. Fabrics that flow. Chiffon, silk, organza. Fabrics that move with air create a dreamy softness. 2. Pastel and neutral palettes. Soft blues, blush pinks, creams, they naturally signal calmness and grace. 3. Rounded necklines and sleeves. While sharp cuts look powerful, rounded edges soften the frame. Think scoop necks, puff sleeves, or rounded collars. 4. Gentle prints. Watercolor florals, delicate lace, or small polka dots create a sweet, soft aesthetic. Part 5. Common styling mistakes that ruin the illusion. All right, now let me quickly expose a few styling mistakes that work against these illusions. Cutting your body in half. Wearing starkly different top and bottom colors makes you look shorter. Over-accessorizing. Too many chunky items distract the eye and add bulk. Ignoring proportions. A long tunic with wide pants may overwhelm a petite frame. Wearing the wrong shoe color. Shoes that contrast with your skin tone cut off your leg line. Nude or matching shoes elongate instead. Part 6. Building elegant outfits using illusion science. Okay, theory is fun, but how do we actually put this into practice? Let's build some outfits together using everything we learned. Outfit 1. The tall illusion. High-waisted beige trousers, tucked-in cream blouse, nude pumps, long pendant necklace. Result? Effortless height and elegance. Outfit 2. The slim illusion. Black wrap dress with diagonal ruching, pointed black heels, delicate earrings. Result? A sleek silhouette that feels natural, not forced. Outfit 3. The soft illusion. Flowing pastel maxi dress in chiffon, soft waves in the hair, nude sandals. Result? Graceful, approachable softness. Part 7. The golden styling formula I promised you earlier. So here's my golden formula I promised you earlier. Height plus slimness plus softness equals elegance. Pick one illusion as your base, then add touches of the others. For example, start with a tall base, monochrome outfit, add a slimming detail, structured tailoring. Finish with a soft element, silk scarf. That's the secret blend that makes people look at you and think, wow, she looks so elegant, without even knowing why. So, my shining stars, that was today's deep dive into the science of elegance. Clothes that trick the eye into looking taller, slimmer, and softer. Remember, elegance is not about changing who you are. It's about enhancing the beauty you already carry. These clothes illusions are just tools to highlight your confidence and grace. Which illusion are you most excited to try first? Looking taller, slimmer, or softer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love reading your styling journeys. And if this video gave you that little sparkle of confidence, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Dress, Dine, and Shine, and share this with a friend who deserves to shine elegantly too. Until next time, dress with grace, dine with joy, and shine with confidence. Bye for now, my lovelies.